How to back up WhatsApp chats. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see settings icon on the bottom right corner. For iPhone user, you'll see the settings icon, but for Android user, you can see three dot option. Click on it. Now scroll down and you will see this chat option. Click on chat. Here you can see this chat backup option. Click on it. Now click on backup now to back up your chat. It may take some time to back up your chat. If you want to include videos, to simply click on it and enable it. But if you don't want to include videos, simply turn it off. There is also an option of auto backup. Simply click on it and choose the one that you want. If you want to have a daily backup, then click on this daily option, and if you want it off, then simply click on this off option. If you back up your chat to iCloud, then if you even switch a new iPhone, you can safely restore your chat history after you reinstall WhatsApp. So backup is very important on WhatsApp if you don't want to miss out your important documents. And that's it. This is how you back up WhatsApp chats. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.